Welcome to our channel Aryan and Manmay Creative Videos. Ganpati Bappa Moria.
So guys, you must be thinking, why did we say Ganpati Bappa Moria? So guys, and we are going to our village. It's a type of a journey, right?
Yeah,
So whenever we start a journey, we start to our journey, we said obviously Ganpati Bappa Moria. And we will show in our video like type of the village vlog. We are going to travel and means maja and all what we will do. Sorry, means what we will do, enjoyment and all we will show you in this video. And so after means we are going to go for village because to relax after this during of the COVID-19. So we have means bored in our house type of it. School is also not open and all, and also our full family is going to our village and we will enjoy too much, and for relaxing we are going. Okay, so guys, now it's time of 7:48 and we have sit in the bus at I think so 7:30.
Yeah, guys.
So it takes to come to village destination, our village Solapur. So it takes something 8 hours.
8 hours?
Yeah, it takes 8 hours. So in middle we will do the shoot and we are going to show you guys. Sorry for the means incurring type of you, means here the phone is, we are sitting in the
guys,
bus.
here what do you see? Here like it is very
Aryan.
funny, guys. Here like. See here moving hand. Here like.
So guys, for means it's the phone is means hanging type of it because we are in bus and the bus is going on, means it's not have stopped. So we are in bus and type of means bus is healing type of
Healing. See now how, you want to see how to healing. See healing.
So means sorry for it. The phone, what we say, the video is not coming proper because the phone is also coming
Moving.
front and moving, means
Front and back. See, I'm smaller, yours. That's why I'm. It's calling हिंदी. मैं तेरे से इतना छोटा हूँ तब भी मुझे आता है. पागल जैसे करते लड़के. ना guys, पागल है ना?
Okay, so guys, now I think so we can't open the window because it's AC bus, and so we will shoot from the mirror. Means way to village. Aryan. So way to village, and so sorry guys for means we will show you from the mirror.
And only 2 seconds we will open our window.
Yes.
And yeah guys, because AC is on.
So it's rule also
Yeah.
to not open the window in AC bus.
In video, not compulsory, but we opening in video.
2 seconds or 2 minutes we
Yeah.
will open it and we will show you, and if they means bus rules are there so not to open, so if they said not to open, we will show you from the window glass.
Okay guys,
So-
now I will
Pause the
open
video
it.
and
Okay.
so let's see, meet you after at this.
Guys,
Now we will go in hotel. Means now it's time of 11:44, 11:45, and we were slept for 1 hour at 10 o'clock.
Yeah guys.
And now I will just see the outdoor section type
Yeah
of it.
guys.
So now let's go outside. So guys, now we have came outside, and so guys, now Aryan saw the hotel and he direct went inside of the hotel, guys, you can see. So now just we are waiting over here. We are not going to eat much more anything, just for like time of snack of type. Okay, so now meet you later. And guys, now I will show you the section. Just a second. You can see guys. So guys, now we have came in hotel and we have sit over here, And now just we are going to have some thumbs up or Sprite, anything. Sprite. Okay, Sprite. Okay. So now let's go. As you can see, this is Sprite.
And this is Fanta.
So now guys, it's 12 o'clock and perfect 12 o'clock guys, and now we will drink it and again we will go in the bus and we will sleep over there, and then we will meet you at morning guys. So morning we will show you the way to go, and now also we are going to show. Bye bye. So guys, now we are at Khopoli, and after Khopoli it's Lonavala. I will just show you the way to go guys. Whoa. You can see we are going forward. We can't open the window guys because it's AC car, so it's coming blur type of it. Yeah. So guys, this is my mom. Say hi. Bye. Now we will meet you at morning, and I will click the video. And Aryan is with his father guys, so they are doing much. They are enjoying it. And now after 12:30 we are going to sleep. Only 15 minutes are remaining. Bye. Yes. So guys, now we are at the hotel. We will just take a time of a snack. Okay. It's the entrance. You can see guys, my mom is going. So guys, now we are having the tea. So we will have the tea and we will go in the tempo to our house, and then we will show the view from there. Okay. You can see hotel view guys. Show you again. You can see the view. Hey guys, now we are going to go at our home. So I will show you way to go of our village. Let's see guys, all greenery is there. All houses are there and much more. So bye guys. Now when we will leave, where are you? We can't see because Aryan is sitting front side, so I can't show him. Now we are at our house, village. Okay, we are at our house, and now we will show you the view from here. Guys, and now just a second, I will take the camera. Cameraman is it is very. So guys, now this is our house. What village you are doing? The house from in the village. This is a surrounding topic. Then see, I see Aryan is over there. And now we will go on the road, guys. Ooh. I am beside, but I am in backside of the camera, so I can't come. Whoa, Aryan, don't go there. I will just show you. Aryan, don't do. Guys, you can see Aryan. We'll show you again the surrounding on the road. You can see this is a plain road. None of the bike is there over here. Sometimes the bike comes, vehicles. Can see. Ooh. And from this is the road. And from here, our entry is their house. You can see. Moving front. And now back side is also there of our house. We'll just show you.
Madam,
What, madam?
please can I go our home in village?
Yeah. Can see. So guys, now here's our entry of house.
And you can see this is my favorite bed.
It's sofa,
Now
guys.
we will go first bedroom. Come here.
Here is our hall. You can see the window. Where are you going, Aaron? I'm over here. Ooh. You can see.
And you can see this speaker.
Speaker, radio. And now we will go in our first room. Aryan, come.
Yeah, I will show.
Yeah, come.
Come guys, come. And this is a bullet. You can see.
Yes, for going somewhere we are using it. Aryan, don't do that.
Bullet. And this is bed.
You can see this is our first bedroom. So hey guys, this is our second bedroom.
And you can see this is my Canon Sunday. And this is my bed.
Whoa.
Guys, it is
You
new
can
bedroom.
see guys our bedroom.
It is new bedroom, guys. Now come here.
Whoa. So guys, now this is our kitchen.
Kitchen very we make chai. Chai.
Chai down for
Chai.
Aryan. For
This is our big one.
What are you showing?
Big curry.
Hi guys,
Thank you
keep
for
watching our video.
video.
If you liked our video, then
so
please
like
like and share in your family members, friends and relatives.
Yeah, guys.
Okay, so this is our part 1
One.
and we are going to means we will
There
enjoy
go,
afterwards.
Yeah, guys.
Means for many kind of God we are going to go.
Yeah, guys.
So we will show you that in part 2.
And you can know Allah my God. It
And
is
so
very much.
we will go there and
Full
we will
night,
show
guys.
you.
Guys, wait a minute. Full night I will show. Full night we are.
Are you mad?
Yeah, guys. Full night or we are bye.
Okay, I don't know what is saying. So bye guys. Now see you in part 2. Bye bye.